Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Pretending not to care is the habit of someone who does care the most. Harvest mice enjoy crawling into flowers to eat the pollen. These tiny creatures sometimes even fall asleep inside the blossoms. Look at someone's elbow when you high five, you will never miss. Until a little over 800 years ago, there were no human beings in New Zealand. You can press 1, 2, 3, etc. to jump 10%, 20%, 30% into the clip you are watching on YouTube. Mesomaniac, someone who hates everything and everyone. Data is the next thing scientists are focused on teleporting. In case you have been fined in the day once, any fine after that is excused. Never give up, expect only the best from life and take action to get it. If an officer refuses to file your FIRs, he can be sentenced to jail for a period of 6 months to 1 year. Dogs have excellent night vision and can see blues and yellows. To get rid of fruit flies, fill a bowl with apple cider vinegar and a bit of soap. The vinegar attracts them. The soap will kill them. Everybody lives for something better to come. We want to create hope for the person. We must give hope, always hope, Mother Teresa. There is a tiny creature with a unique shape and color of a navy blue called the blue button. Researchers develop hydrogel that converts waste heat into electricity. Outside of humans, tree shrews only mammals to enjoy spicy food. You take an average of 17,000 to 80 to 20,040 breeds a day. Margherita pizza uses tomato, mozzarella and basil toppings to represent the Italian national flag. It was initially to honor the Queen of Italy in 1890. Leech, Belgium tried to use 37 cats to deliver mail in the 1870s. Most of the cats took up to a day to deliver the mail and the service was short-lived. In 2005, the Grandpa Gang, the oldest being 76, committed the biggest bank robbery in the English history. They stole more than $200 million in cash and jewels. There is a liquid that you can breathe in called perfluorohexane. Animals can be submerged in a bath of perfluorohexane without drowning. There is a species of butterfly called 8998 butterfly. Its common name is due to the 89 and 98 that appears on the underside of its wings. Kraft singles cannot be advertised as cheese because US FDA standards state a food can only be identified as cheese if it contains at least 51% real cheese. A kookaburra's call is used as the stock jungle sound effect in many movies set in the jungles of Africa or South America, even though they are only in Australia and New Guinea. As milk heats, the water in its structure starts evaporating from the surface. This concentrates the remaining fat and proteins into a thick layer at the top of the pot. This layer eventually becomes so thick that water vapor rising through the milk can't break through very easily. During a conversation, each speaker's turn averages 2 seconds and the pause in between is only 200 milliseconds. That figure is nearly universal. Our retina has two layers. The second layer is made up of T and M cells. T cells focus on the color description and they analyze the data about texture and color. Female retinas are rich in this T cell. Studies suggest that two kinds of genes are responsible for this behavior, gene D and gene C. People with gene D are mostly right-handed, while for people with gene C, hand preference is determined randomly with a 50% chance of being left-handed people. In 2015, while hunting elk in Montana, Chase Delvo encountered a grizzly bear. He remembered an article mentioning that large animals had strong gag reflexes. Acting on this information, he shoved his arm down the bear's throat, causing it to retreat. Humans evolved to live different from each other because of our highly visual social interactions. Many animals use smell or vocalization to identify individuals, making distinctive facial features unimportant. You may be an introvert apart from the fact that introverts prefer a lot of uninterrupted alone time. There is also evidence that at a physiological level introverts respond more strongly to stimulations such as loud noises than extroverts do. When a 7-year-old Bridgewater wrote the Google boss asking for a job, he sent her a personalized reply, though it was only the second letter she'd ever written. It worked, CEO Sundar Pichai replied within days, telling her to follow her dreams, learn about technology, and send him an application when she's done with the school. I am not interested in singing. Singing is not my cup of tea. I am very happy. I am over the moon. I am fit and healthy. I am fit as fiddle. Text me when you get free. Hit me up when you get free. She is confused. She is mixed up. Thanks for watching.